Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Flutter Doctor and fix SDK paths. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download Flutter Doctor and fix SDK paths, start by visiting the official Flutter website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to flutter.dev. On the home page, locate the Get Started section. Click on Get Started to find installation instructions. Select your operating system: Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Follow the specific instructions for downloading the Flutter SDK. For Windows users, download the zip file from the provided link. Extract the downloaded zip file to a desired location on your computer. For Mac OS users, you can use Homebrew by executing the command brew install cask flutter. For Linux users, you can install the SDK using the terminal with the command provided in the instructions. Once the SDK is downloaded, open your terminal or command prompt. Run the command Flutter Doctor to check your Flutter installation. This command will analyze your environment and display any missing dependencies. Review the output for issues related to SDK paths. If you encounter an error regarding the SDK path, locate your Flutter installation directory. Copy the path to the Flutter SDK. Now, set the path in your system environment variables. For Windows, search for environment variables in the Start menu. Click on Edit the system environment variables. In the System Properties window, click on Environment Variables. Click Edit and then New. Paste the path to your Flutter SDK and click OK to save changes. For macOS or Linux users, open your terminal and type nano/.bash_profile or nano/.bashrc. Save the file and exit the editor. To apply changes, run the command source/.bash_profile or source/.bashrc. Reopen your terminal and run Flutter Doctor again to confirm that all paths are correctly set. If everything is set up correctly, the command output should show a green checkmark for all components. You are now ready to start developing with Flutter. Congratulations on successfully downloading Flutter Doctor and fixing the SDK paths. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.